Alright guys, so in this video, we want to identify key features of a line, but we don't have the equation of the line. We only know that it passes through 2 points. So we want to find the slope and the y-intercept given these 2 points. Now, to do that, we know we can find the slope from 2 points. Right? That's pretty easy. We just use our slope equation where we pick our x and y values. So, negative 32 subtract 28 divided by negative 3 minus 2. I'm going to use my calculator because there's a lot of negatives there. So negative 32 minus 28 is equal to negative 60. And then negative 3 subtract 2 is negative 5. Negative 60 divided by negative 5 is positive 12. So this positive 12 means that's the slope. So the measurement of the slope between those two lines is 12. We want to find the y-intercept, and I noticed that there's no y-intercept given because if there was, the x value would have been 0. So I have to go about this a different way. We have to actually write the equation in point-slope form first, and then what we could do after that is we can solve. So let's write our equation, y minus y1, or template, I should say. This is our point slope template, right? It says if I know the slope and I know a point, I can get the equation of the line. So we have our y, our x, and our parentheses are always going to stay. We can now replace our y1 with 28. So since it's positive, the sign is going to stay negative. Our slope we said was 12, and our x1 was 2. Again, it's a positive 2 here, so we're going to go ahead and leave it negative in the template. Now, we got our equation of our line. If I wanted to, I could graph this in Desmos or any graphing calculator and find the y-intercept, but let's do it by hand. Let's distribute like we know. So 12, there's a secret 1 here, right? 12 times 1 is 12x. 12 times negative 2 is negative 24. That's equal to y minus 28. And we want to keep solving this out. We want to get the y by itself and get this into slope-intercept form. So I can add 28 to both sides. Negative 24 plus 28 is 4. So we have y is equal to 12x plus 4. So this is our equation in slope-intercept form. If you remember, our m is our slope and our b is our y-intercept. So now that we wrote our equation and got into slope-intercept form, we can identify these key features, right? We know that our slope is 12, and we know that our y-intercept for our b is positive 4. And we're done. So writing equations definitely helps us find out key features from given different multiple representations.